Writing a Personal Narrative, Episode 2, Brainstorming. In the last episode, you learned what a personal narrative is and what it takes to write one. In this episode, you will learn how to select a topic. Let's start with a brainstorming activity that will help you create a list of possible topics. Respond to as many of the prompts listed as possible. Say or write the first thing that comes to your mind. You only need to write a few words for each prompt. The goal is to quickly jot down the memory, not dig into the details. Write about a time when you traveled somewhere new or performed on a stage. Write about a time when you were scared or you cried. Write about a time when you were surprised or when you learned something new. Write about a time when you failed or made a mistake. Write about a time when you were injured or sick. Write about a time when a teacher or coach helped you. You made a new friend, or you moved to a new place or school. Write about a time when you took a big risk, when you helped someone new. Write about a time when you felt proud. Pause the video here if you need more time to complete the prompts. When you finish, you will have a list of possible topics for your narrative. Read through your list. Select one meaningful experience from your list to be the topic of your personal narrative. Now that you've selected a topic, you are ready to dive deeper into the details of your meaningful experience. In the next episode, you will begin to structure your story. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified of future videos and to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching!